Guys, like here, quick video to show you how to connect a gas oven to new construction piping. Basically, we're going to be removing this cap here, as long as with this little extension, because we have to connect the connector that connects to the hose. For that, you basically need to get one of these kits. And you need this kit basically for any oven replacement installation. It's always recommended get rid of the old line. This pressure washer here gets used up. The metal can crack. You actually don't need any installation when installing these pieces. So we're going to pop this off and then move forward with the installation. And this is what I'm talking about, old hose. Looks like somebody put Pro Dope or something on here, but you shouldn't be using it with this. I'm gonna try to replace this piece as well if I can remove it here. First, let's see what we have in our kit. New hose, new connector, which we can use in there. And then this connector will go in here. Extra connectors if needed. It's some pipe thread sealants already included, as well as the liquid to test for leaks. But I have full bottles which we're going to be using. I'm not going to be using tape. I'm going to be using Pro Dope. That's strongly recommended for connecting gas lines, and directions if you need. But that's why I'm here for you guys. So first, we can remove this piece. Make sure your gas is off. I'm going to support the pipe so I'm not bending it as I pop this one off. And whoever did this did a nice mess in here, so we're going to clean this up a little bit. There's a bunch of gunk in here. Pick. Yeah, we're going to clean some of that out in there. Alright, you can stuff it. Alright, so now we're going to install our new connector. I'm going to get some Pro Dope and generously apply. Go. So this piece is all set. Remove the excess. And now we move to the oven. So the gas line to the oven connects in the back right here. It's going to be like a square little box. You're going to see this inlet hole on new ovens is going to be taped shut, so you remove the tape. So now we have to connect this adapter. Pro Dope is going on here. We're not putting anything on the tapered end, and that's where the crush washer connects directly from the hose. Same idea as before. I'm using a wrench here to support so I don't bend any lines. And now we're just going to tighten this on. Should be good. There we go. And now we can connect the hose next. So as you guys can see, this is the crush washer, kind of, you could say. And this is going to go right against the tapered end, and then we tighten. So you're not using any tape or any Pro Dope in here. It's just like that. I'm going to move it around to make sure I have a good connection, that it's not angled. Okay, now we can tighten. Okay. Once you hand tighten it, it's not a lot more with the wrench. You're just getting a good connection. We're gonna test it anyway. Now back here, same idea. Just careful bending the hose. You don't want to overdo it. Taper it in. Same idea. Make sure this is nice and straight. A little wiggle to make sure that we're connected. Nice and flat. And that should do it. And now all we gotta do is test for leaks. Test for leaks, let's turn on the gas. And you can do a smell test, obviously, but this is the stuff. If you don't have this, use a household cleaner like Fantastic or something that foams up. And basically, you're putting it on all the connections, and we're looking for any bubbles. On this end will look good. Nothing's bubbling. Now we go here. Same idea. Soak everything. And now we're just checking if anything's bubbling, which is not. Great sign, oven safely connected to the gas. Now we just connect the electricity and run it to make sure the oven's working. So the only thing that's left to do now is plug the oven to electricity so you can create a spark. We got power, and now we just test it. And there we go. We got gas. Thanks for watching, guys. Hope that's helpful. And any questions, comments, mention below. Subscribe to the channel for more how-to videos. Thank you.